What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to be reacting to a 3D sound experience called the Interrogation Chamber. This is supposed to make you think that people are around you when they're really not. But guys, let's just get straight into the videos. But if you haven't already, please go and smash the head of that like button. Grab a blindfold, grab your earphones, and let's enjoy the experience together. So let's get straight into the video, guys. So obviously we need a blindfold. So I'm just gonna use my hat for this. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hat for this. I've got my headphones on. I'm gonna make sure that I can't see nothing, and we're just gonna relax now. I'm gonna keep my eyes closed. We're just gonna chill. But let's go, guys.
Media Lab presents the Interrogation Chamber.
Okay.
You will soon hear a play in binaural 3D sound. Please note that this purely fictional play contains some pretty scary and violent scenes. Do not listen to it if these things can be bad for you. Hearing the 3D sound effect is easy. You just have to put on a pair of earphones. Make sure that you put on the one marked R on your right ear and the one marked L on your left ear. For full effect, close your eyes, turn off the light and screen, and relax. Good luck in the interrogation chamber.
Thank you so much.
So you're awake. You're lucky they let you live. But you won't stand the torture that is yet to come. Just don't say a word.
Shut up, you filthy
Whoa.
Hungarian scum. You're lucky to be alive. In Soviet Russia, we would feed you to the bears at least 2 days ago. These goddamn Americans don't even know how to torture people anymore.
I do not pay you to make insightful comments, Bruno. Please, assume your position in the corner.
You know I'm right.
While I tend
What is going on?
one new guest. No, you are awake. Good. Good.
No.
I have been wanting to speak with you for quite some time now.
Okay.
My. How are the mighty fallen?
What?
Bet you didn't expect to end up like this, huh?
No.
You have been down here a long time. You must be parched. Let me get you some water. It's bottled, but what can you do in this country? Unfortunately, there is only enough for me. But
That's disappointing.
you look like a really tough guy. I've heard about the trainings they put you guys through. My delicious. Take Bruno here, for example. His training back in Russia involved killing bears.
With my bare hands.
No pun intended. Well,
That was generally creepy.
I still have to figure out exactly which training you went through. To that end, who do you work for? Silence, eh? Well, I did not really expect you to answer that question. Fortunately, we have ways to make people talk around here. Bruno has brought some toys back from the old country. My, now that is gruesome and painful. You really have outdone yourself this time.
Thank you, boss.
I, however, shall not partake in this gruesome and barbaric business. I need that to
Oh my
show
God.
from Detroit. Bruno, open the cage, will you?
What's in the cage?
Hey, boss.
What's in the cage?
I killed bear with hands.
Bruno, not paying you for this.
I know, but he raped bear with hands.
Hello, my Bruno.
Hello, Sean. How do you like the cage?
Bigger than the last one. No, Bruno, make sure our guest stays alive. You know how sure he is.
Yeah,
boss.
No. Bruno, stay away. Bruno? You still there? Bruno!
So this is the guy?
Fuck.
Ain't much of you. You're the silent type, right? They're all silent in the beginning. Like my wife. But they're all silent in the end. Like my wife.
What did you do to your wife?
So I've got some toys here.
Yes. Got new toys from home country.
Russian stuff, eh?
Just quality.
Best quality, yeah. Oh, let me see.
What's in the bag?
Oh, nice, nice. I'm gonna cut your tongue.
No. No, 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 no.
I'm gonna cut your ear.
No! No! Stop it, Bruno!
But first, I'm gonna cut your hand.
No. No.
You thought that the first thing that I was going to do was to stab you? No, I like to play with my food. Well, speaking of food, there's a cheese grate down here. You hear the sound of that sweet baby? Oh yeah. Well, maybe a cheese grate would be too.
Cheesy.
No, too juicy. Yeah, too juicy. No, I know. A saw. You know what a saw is?
Yeah.
I know my father knew what a saw was. I taught him. Oh, wait. Hang on a second. Ishvan, you've screamed enough, haven't you?
Yes, I have. Yes.
No. Not in that way.
Oh, no.
Before you see the light, you must die.
Oh my god. No! Leave me alone! No! No! Leave him alone!
Yes, it's the right tool. The right tool for you.
Wait a second. I smell bacon.
Oh my god.
It's the police!
Police, get down on the ground!
Oh man, I gotta get out of here.
Go not that way. Easy but sure. We gotta get out of here, Bruno.
I don't run from police. Police run from me.
Wow, that guy says it sounds scary. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god, that was... Oh my god. I thought Bruno was gonna kill me alive. Oh my god, I got way too much. Oh my god. That was actually super creepy. I got way too caught up in that too. way too involved. That was creepy. That was generally creepy. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna say okay like a few dozen more times. Okay. Guys, what did you think of that? Oh my god, that was creepy. The way Bruno was coming up to you like, "Arr!" Like this is the right tool to use on you. Like, oh my. I generally felt like someone was right inside my ear. Oh my god, that was insane. Guys, listen though. That's gonna be it for this video, but if you want to see something similar to this in another video, please let me know. And if you haven't already, please go smash that little like button, go and subscribe to my channel, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.